Hey everybody, welcome to An Idiot's Liquor. It is the Aviation Cocktail today. That's what we're making. This drink was a 1916 by a bartender named Hugo Ensslin. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it is a very good drink involving my friend Creme de Violette. This is a floral sweet liqueur. A little goes a long way. Creme de Violette. So this is a really simple drink, simple gin drink. But before I get started, I just want to point out there are some different variations to this as far as the amounts that are used. Some people don't like it quite as sour. They might cut the lemon. Some people want it sweeter, so they'll add some of the maraschino extra in there. My suggestion is just find what works for you and go with that. But you know, whatever is going to do the job, I'm okay with. But this is the version I'm going to make. And we're going to start off with a little bit of gin. This is a London Dry gin, of course. And it's going to be 2 ounces of our London Dry. I love gin. People say they hate gin. I just don't get it. Just do not get it. I apologize if you hear any thunder in the background. Mother Nature was not cooperating. As long as the power stays on, I think I'm cool with it though, you know. Next thing we're going to do, just grab a nice lemon. Cut that baby in half. We're going to juice the lemon. The goal is going to be to get 3/4 ounces of lemon juice. 3/4 ounces. And as always, fresh is best. That should be a slogan of mine. My mantra, fresh is best. All right, 3/4 of an ounce. Pour that right into the shaker tin. Next up, it's time for our liqueurs. The first thing is Maraschino Liqueur. It's a nice little sweet, slightly dry liqueur from Luxardo. I'm going to use 1/2 ounce in this. I've seen people use as low as 1/4 ounce. You know, that's where I say really adjust. See how you like it. See what goes on. But next is Creme de Violette. The Creme de Violette, a little goes a long way. I put about 3/8, just a little over 1/4. Some recipes I've seen call for 1/4. Some recipes I've seen call for 1/2. Kind of split the difference on that. So 3/8. Just see how floral you like your drink to be. Now we're going to add some ice and give it a shake. Nice little scoop of crushed up ice in there. And there we go. Yes. Very lovely mix of citrus and floral going on. I found this really cool cocktail glass at Goodwill, for God's sakes. Goodwill's a great place to go if you're looking for some cocktail glasses. And I thought, man, this is going to be perfect for this particular drink. It's an elegant looking glass. I like the Aviation, like an elegant looking drink. And it's going to utilize some maraschino cherries. I like to use the Luxardo ones. They're really, really good. Just kind of put that in there first. Put that in there first. And it's going to look really cool when we pour it in. So as you can see, this drink takes on a light color. And I will point out that the brand of Creme de Violette will kind of vary the color, just depending on how they color it, how deeply it's colored. This one here is a nice particular light purple kind of shade of blue, somewhere in between. So this is how you make an Aviation cocktail. Really cool looking I love the style of this drink. Nice. Very nice, very nice. That version I really feel is pretty balanced. You get floralness, but it's not overpowering in this. And the citrus is not all up in your face either, which I definitely like that aspect of it as well. So that is the Aviation Cocktail. And I've said it before and I'll say it again. This year in 2020, I'm on a journey to hit 100 cocktails throughout the year. And trust me, if there has ever been a year that we could use 100 drinks, it is the year of 2020. So if you're interested in learning more, hit subscribe down below, click the bell icon so you don't miss out on anything. And until next time, remember, if this idiot can do it, so can you.